to the crafty nana, thrift and vlog and haul try on.
Good afternoon, Crafty Nana. Today, it just so happens it's Roses Day. Somehow I ended up with a lot of roses. And they've all sort of come to the end and I'm like, right, I'm just going to make a rosy one. So, the theme is roses. This is the smallest rose print of all of them. It's just a little strappy dress, little spaghetti straps, little ruched bodice, tiered skirt, which gives it a little peasant vibe. I've just put it with a pink jacket, although I did find that I had a long pink dress that was now too big for me, and I was just having had such success with chopping things up the front and making them into jackets. I was really tempted, but I thought, nope, I need to do it when I can do it at my own pace and get it all hemmed and everything. No, just doing it on the day, like last time. Got to be a bit more patient. So, this is dress number 1. I've put little silver rose earrings in, and this necklace has got a little tiny, tiny silver roses in it, and I've put a rather lovely bug on it. The last time you saw this was on my pink bug waistcoat, unless you're new, and then you've never seen it. So, number 1, quite cheeky. Put the flowers in my hair just to pick out those roses. Why not? My age, you don't care. You can just do what you want to do. And I put my home sparkled metallic sliders on because I just think they need to be seen. So, outfit number 1. Lovely and summery. Fun and flirty. Bright pink lipstick, pink eyeshadow, pink blusher, just pinked up the whole thing. Well, I hadn't pinked the hair. Pink the hair's still blue. But there we go. So that's outfit number 1. Done and dusted. The second one is a Banduro one. And this was a 12 ringgit for this shirt. I love it. It's so 80s and so floral and so cute. So relaxed. Just chuck on a nice big shirt over whatever you want, basically, and just make it look smart. I've added some beads. This little moth is actually, strangely enough, it's just a little wooden moth, printed little wooden moth. Feels like a little jigsaw piece. I absolutely love it. It's probably one of my favourite pieces. And I made this necklace to go with it, and then I made the earrings to go with it out of a little bracelet that I found that had these lovely merino glass hearts in it. So put them all together. Plenty of green baubles as well to pick up the green dress. The green dress is thrifted as well. That was quite a while ago. That was another Japan one. I believe that this was 15 ringgit. So, I like this outfit. It's comfortable. It's gracious, I feel. And I'm really enjoying this one. I think this is really lovely. The green, I felt, picked up the floral design more so than wearing it with black, and also it's summer. I mean, you know, the first one was black, I had no choice. The next one's going to be black as well. So this one, I thought it would be really nice to throw in some green instead of black. And do you know what? I think I like it very much with the green. So there we go with the green. Now, I've been putting up quite a lot of bugs on my page, on my Crafty Nana Facebook page, and a lot of you are getting into the bugs, and I've obviously been trying to show them to you in my try-ons as well, and I've been asked if I would be considered like making them for people to sell. I enjoy making them so much. If you genuinely would be interested and you would like to commission one and say, look, I'd love a green one and I want it this sort of with this kind of colour combination, and I'd have a go. I'll definitely have a go. I'm just looking into how I can get things to people. A lot of it will depend on, where you are and how far I have to post it. So, I won't be able to give people prices until they tell me where they live and I work out how much the postage is going to be. Because obviously I'm in Malaysia. But yeah, hit me up if you're really keen, because I love doing it. Anyway, on to the next one. With no further ado, I'll swirl and off I go. I have shown you this when it was still a dress. But it was a short wraparound dress and it was absolutely enormous. I mean, it was huge. I mean, you can imagine it really was huge. So I chopped it to bits, and then it took me a while to work out if I could do what I wanted to do, which was like to make the skirt long enough to be a long skirt, not a short skirt, and if I could make the top into a jacket. I haven't quite decided yet whether it looks better like this, all in layers, or whether it'd look better with the top part knotted up to pull it in and make it sort of more figure hugging. Whether that looks a bit too young and girly on me, I'm not sure. But you have the option. Options are good. So, this was a dress from Banduro. It was one of those, it was probably about just after lockdown. It was quite a while ago now, where I actually was still buying things that were way, way too big for me. Now, I'm saying that like I don't still do it, which is why I ended up cutting that blue top up the front. I still do it. I get so excited when I see big things that I think that they're going to fit me, and I buy them and they don't fit me. Thank goodness. But yeah, this is one of those. This is one of those much, much too big things. But I love the roses. I love the print, and I thought, well, I'm going to make it work. And I think I've made it work. Definitely think I've made it work. Now, I put on my bug collar, which was again thrifted from, I think this one was JJJ, and as I said, I had to move it had so many beads missing that I put all the ones from the centre up the sides, and then I put the bug in the centre, which I just cast with glitter and sparkles in it. This I have this time put with these pink enamel earrings, which I got at the Indian Expo. I think that's a good couple of years ago now as well. But I think these were literally cost nothing. I mean, I think it was about 15 ringgit, which is, I don't even think it was that much actually. I think they worked at about 5 ringgit in the end. You had to buy 4 pairs. I think it was 4 pairs for 20 ringgit. I think they could do about 5 ringgit each, so just under £1. But they're really pretty enamel, and I think they work with this if you're not wanting it to be too as sparkly. Although this is so sparkly, it doesn't really make much odds. And my sliders. It's an outfit. It's definitely an outfit. It's fun. It's floaty. It's frilly. It's maybe a little bit frillier than I am, but it's definitely frilly. What are you thinking? Would you wear it? I did put it on with a tight fitted top underneath, but I just feel much more comfortable in a loose baggy. And this is a nice crepe one, so it's airy. The dress is cotton, so all in all, it's actually quite comfortable. And at least I've made something I could wear. And I don't have to wear the top with the skirt. I can just wear the skirt on its own, vice versa. It has a bit of versatility to it. Although I do think that the last shirt with that soft golden greens rather than this more acidic sort of sagey green was actually a prettier colourway. But, roses are roses. Last twirl, and we're on to the last outfit. Okay. So, a bit different. I try not to do too much black, but today it's a day where it's all sneaking out. This skirt was from B&H, or H&B, H&B, Mart. and it was in the $2.99 ringgit baskets, and I found it in the same basket as that beautiful Indian wraparound dress that I had, and the Uniqlo blue and black skirt. This one I believe is Uniqlo as well. Unfortunately, I did cut out the lining because it was nylon, and so I haven't got the label anymore because I chucked it in the bin. I've put it with the lace petticoat that I used for Halloween because it was just a bit short. But I really love this material. It really is terribly gothic, terribly swirly and fantastic. So I thought it was, go for it. I put it with a very light top because obviously it's black. I don't want it to be too heavy, which also has lace panels at the top. This I basically stole from my daughter. She doesn't wear it anymore because it was a bit tight, and I thought, well, I'll have that away, and away we went. So the lace picks up the petticoat, the top's lovely and thin, and then this coat or jacket I've had for quite some time. I bought it for doing my side judging, so that I wouldn't look too uncool. It would make me look a little bit hip and trendy. I think it still looks hip and trendy, and I like it a lot. It is t-shirt fabric, so it's very light and cool, but I paid full price for it in a proper shop, which is rare, even rarer these days than it used to be. But yes, I've had a lot of use out of this, and I still absolutely love it. And I think that it's really cool. And I think that it works with this amazing statement bug necklace that my husband said that I now deserve to be locked up for. He said it's just going way too far, and it's crazy. I love it. I don't care. I love it. So the earrings I mended again, having broken them. It's made out of a bracelet. All these little oblong slices were elasticated bracelet, and it's an old necklace that broke. Put it all together, ta-da! And I'm really happy with it. Put a stonking great big black ring on it. Sometimes you just want to be bold. Sometimes you want to be a bit different and powy, and this outfit would definitely do that for me. I put a hairpin in, which is like a black lacy metalwork hairpin. I'll get my husband to photograph it because it's probably lost in my hair, but again I felt that it carried the vibe through. So that is my final outfit today. I'm happy to be brave and bold. We all have days when we want to kick ass. I particularly like to kick ass when I have to go and see consultants or doctors. I particularly want to be in my boldest, most terrifying outfits when I don't want any nonsense from anybody. So, those are the days. Those are the days when you need this necklace to really make sure that nobody's going to pick a fight with you. Because as my husband said, I could use this as a weapon. This could probably kill people. Keep that in mind if you want to mess with me. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you very much. I can't say hello to my new members because I haven't got any new members at the moment. But when I do, bye. I'll catch you next week. Take care of yourself till then. Bye for now from the Crafty Nana.
If you enjoyed this, please like, share, subscribe. Tell a friend. Bye for now.